Welcome to the Transparent FX Academy. I'm Nick, and I'm a top author on TradingView with over 190k reputation points. In this video, I will be taking a pair, breaking it down from a technical and order flow perspective to try to understand where we have the highest probabilities of the next potential move. And in doing so, I will provide as much free education as possible. So I really suggest that you stick to the video to the end, and I will see you on the charts. In today's video, I want to speak about EURGBP because at the moment we do have quite interesting price action and structure. Starting here on the monthly, in fact, what we can see is that we have a market which is currently testing a very strong area of monthly demand and support. In fact, from here, all this move to the upside was created. Again, the market here tested its zone and rejected it to the upside. At the moment, we're testing the exact same area of monthly demand and support, from which we could definitely expect a potential rejection to the upside. Looking closer, we can in fact see how last month we had a massive rejection away from this support, closing above the previous high. And at this point, this month, we have already retested this previous resistance turn support with this wick here. And at the moment, the market is pushing to the upside. And what we could expect is more potential bullish continuation. Now, if we drop down on the weekly time frame, what do we see? Now, here on the weekly, we can see that we did have and we do have resistance around this zone. However, it is also important to point out that last week the market made this move to the downside and immediately started rejecting to the upside, finding very strong weekly demand and support around this zone. And this could give at this market the momentum that it needs in order to break above the previous high. We still don't know if it will be enough to break the resistance, but it could definitely make the market create the move to the upside, creating the bullish continuation that we already would like to see by looking at the monthly time frame. Now, if we go down on the daily time frame, what do we see? Now, from a daily perspective, it is pretty clear that we're currently testing exactly previous daily resistance turned support. Now, a quick trick that you can use when it comes to identifying support and resistance areas, if you see a lot of wicks and candles, is going down on the line chart. On the line chart, what you will see is that you have two closes, daily closes at this area, confirming that this area is very strong previous resistance turn support. And if you switch back to candles, you can see in fact how that is exactly the zone that the market tested, the closes that you have on the daily time frame, which the market now tested and is rejecting to the upside. Now, if we go and see what we have when it comes to the commitment of traders, so the COT data, which is what the non-commercials, so the biggest speculators in the market are doing, and we check the data specifically for the euro, we can see how with the last report we went from minus 47 to now minus 36k net positions, with 8.3k shorts closed with the last report and 3k longs getting opened, which makes the euro strong. And what we have when we go and see what we have on the pound is a decrease of the net positioning with 15k shorts opened and 5.7k longs getting closed, which makes the GBP weak. And a weak GBP and a strong euro is exactly what we need in order for the market to create this rejection to the upside. So it would appear that there is definitely at least the possibility of seeing the market create this rejection to the upside. So now, how we could be approaching this potential move. As usual, trading is reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily combined with the COT data, those are the best time frames from a directional perspective. However, when it comes to confirmations and entries, the best time frames are the intraday time frames, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, what we could be doing is monitoring price action from an intraday perspective instead of this area, waiting for the market to shift from an intraday bearish market as we have right now to an intraday bullish market. And if the market would shift from an intraday bearish to bullish market and provide to us one of our valid entries, at that point we could be looking for a potential rejection to the upside for the market to complete this impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside, and also a deeper rejection of the monthly support that we have previously identified. Now, if you don't know what I'm speaking about when I say valid entries and this kind of things, that is all part of the mentorship program, which you can find at transparentfxtrading.com. Here you will have the possibility to get access to my entire course with all the rules of the strategies, Also, you have the possibility to gain access to one-on-one private mentoring, the VIP market breakdowns with the Telegram signals, the COT Data software which we used in this analysis, the trading station software which puts together everything that you need as a trader all in one interface. And if you scroll lower past the testimonials, you will see that at the moment I'm running a massive promotion in which you have the possibility to gain access with a big upfront discount. And since I have partnered with the Forex broker Blueberry Markets, if you open an account with them from the student dashboard, you can get a full refund credited back into your trading account. And if you scroll lower, you will see that you have the possibility directly from here to join and gain automatically access with the email and password that you will create during the checkout. So definitely looking forward to have you on board. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you smash that like button and comment below. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm, and I will see you in my next video.